South Sudanese people are often noted for their very dark skin tones. Some might mistakenly view this as having too much melanin. However, this perspective is flawed. Human skin pigmentation exists on a spectrum, and South Sudanese skin tones are a natural and remarkable adaptation to their environment. It is important to approach this topic with sensitivity and accuracy, avoiding any language that perpetuates harmful stereotypes. We must remember that human variation is beautiful and natural. The dark skin of South Sudanese people is primarily determined by their genetics. Melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, comes in two main forms: eumelanin and pheomelanin. Eumelanin, which produces brown and black pigments, is found in higher concentrations in the skin of South Sudanese people. This high eumelanin concentration is common among Nilotic ethnic groups who predominantly reside in South Sudan. Their genetic makeup has favored the production of eumelanin over generations. The geographical location of South Sudan plays a crucial role in understanding the evolutionary advantage of dark skin. Situated near the equator, South Sudan experiences intense year-round ultraviolet (UV) radiation from the sun. Dark skin, with its high eumelanin content, acts as a natural sunscreen. It absorbs harmful UV rays, protecting the skin from sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. Unlike some other African populations, South Sudanese people have experienced relatively less genetic mixing with groups that have lighter skin tones. This historical isolation has contributed to the preservation of their dark skin pigmentation. Their dark skin is not an excess of melanin but rather a perfect adaptation to their environment, developed and passed down through generations. It stands as a testament to the power of natural selection and the remarkable diversity of human evolution.